got a choo-choo like that.
Well, I'm glad you guys said the humor.
I called my wife and told her to run quick, get a lottery ticket.
There you go. Might be the day. Fucking guy. That'd be hilarious. Ideas. What other beer should I get, Sean? What do you prefer? Okay, I think I was gonna split it up between. Buffing that thing out, touching her up a little more. Instead of being selfish and doing this tailgate, it should be alright.